Ready, set, holiday! This garland of festive holiday sweaters is sure to get you into the holiday spirit. In a rainbow of beautiful pure solids from our new Gathering edition, this garland will add some cheer to your holiday decor. Let us help you make the season merry and bright. Check off your list with this quick and easy project that also makes a wonderful holiday gift. Here's what you'll need to get started. AGF Pure Solids Gathering Edition. Batting, sweater template, ribbon, turning tool, fabric glue, a fabric pen, scissors, and pins. Let's get started. Cut 2 pieces using the template provided in each color you'll be using. Place your 2 pieces of fabric, right sides together, on top of 2 layers of batting. Place a bit of ribbon in between the 2 layers of fabric, glue basting in place. Now sew around the perimeter of the fabric, curving slightly at the underarm area, and leaving the bottom edge open for turning out later. Trim away the excess batting and clip any curves. Turn right side out gently, using a turning tool to pull out the arms. Trim away the bottom edge of the batting slightly, and then turn up the seam allowance at the hem and pin in place. Now it's time to decorate. We used a gold metallic thread to add a touch of sparkle to the sweaters. Stitch around the edge of the sweater using the template as a guide to add seam details and close up the bottom edge of your ornament. Add a beautiful finishing touch with fun applique. We used the fabric's selvage edge as little sweater logos. Stitch around the applique and then trim away the excess fabric. and your sweater or ornaments are complete. Hang them above a doorway, string them on your Christmas tree, or drape them in your windows for a reusable piece of festive decor. At approximately 4 inches in size, they're not too big, they're not too small, they're just right. We hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AGF channel for more crafty tutorials.